Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything is going well. So for today's makeup look, I have for you a beautiful model. So to begin hair makeup look, I'm gonna apply the liquid glass product by Farsali. This is a serum and I love it because it makes the skin very radiant and so beautiful. Also helps to apply better the makeup look. Also, I'm gonna use the Skin Tuned Blur just in the center of her face. So I'm gonna apply a little drop, and with the same brush I'm gonna spray it out, especially in the center of her face, but what is left in the brush I'm gonna apply all over the rest as well. Next, I'm gonna apply foundation. Today I'm using Nighther by Decay, and this foundation is full coverage, so I'm gonna use just a little bit, and to spray it out I'm gonna use a beauty blender. What is left in the blender I'm gonna apply in her neck and chest as well, just to balance the look. So next step is to contour and highlight. I'm gonna use the dots technique as you can see here, and also for her blush I'm using the liquid blush by Ochre, which I love so much. And as I'm using a full coverage but a matte foundation today, to spray it out the contour and highlights I'm gonna use a little bit of the setting spray. Is Lay All Day by Jared Cosmetics. This one is the peach fragrance, but obviously you can use any setting spray for this step. I'm using especially because the foundation that I used previously is matte, so I don't want to create any harsh lines in this look. This will just make the blending process easier. Oh, and please excuse my voice today, I'm a little bit sicky. And yeah, that's it. So after I finish the blending process, I'm gonna just set everything using my favorite powder, and this is by Mercier. So I'm gonna apply using this Spotlight Duster brush all over her face, neck and chest. All the brushes that I'm using in this makeup look are from Sigma Beauty as well, and I really love this brush. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit of powder because I just want to set. Today I'm not going to bake or anything, so I'm gonna just remove the shine, especially in the center of her face. And now I just did her brows. Look at the difference. Whoa. So to do this eyebrows I used the pomade by Sigma Beauty, and I love this product. As you can see, it looks way natural, and I used the blonde shade on her. Moving on to her beautiful eyes, I'm gonna start off applying the eyeshadow base Painterly by MAC all over the lid using the tip of my fingers. I do have a little bit of concealer first, and now I'm gonna use the color Vanilla by MAC. This is a matte eyeshadow, so I'm gonna apply in the brow bone and also in the tear duct area to highlight and make everything looks matte. And now, as my transition shade, I'm gonna apply the color Paper Doll by Motivus Cosmetics using a fluffy brush and circular motions. I'm gonna concentrate this color in the outer corner, crease, and also in the lower lash line. This is a amazing matte pink eyeshadow and works for everybody, for every skin tone, and especially for transition shades. As you can see, I'm always using this matte pink eyeshadow because I really love it and works for many different makeup looks. So now I'm gonna apply this very pink and very pigmented eyeshadow from the Dream palette by Sigma Beauty, which is stunning. I love this palette. And to apply this eyeshadow, this is also matte, I'm gonna apply all over the lid with a smaller blending brush. So I'm gonna apply the shade focusing in the other corner of the eyes, also in the crease, and a little bit in the lower lash line. And next I'm gonna use this purple metallic liquid lipstick by Jared Cosmetics. I'm gonna list down below for you guys the name of the color because I forgot, I'm sorry, but this is a beautiful purple, and I'm gonna apply this shade as my eyeshadow base. I'm gonna apply this liquid lipstick as my eyeshadow base using a shader brush all over the lid and also in the lower lash line. In the tear duct area, I'm gonna apply the pink eyeshadow by the same palette from Sigma Beauty, and for blush I'm gonna use the color Justify My Love by Faced Cosmetics, and for highlighter I'm gonna use Luminizer by The Balm. So I'm gonna apply this product in the highest point of her face using the high cheekbone brush. And now for the lips, I'm gonna use the liquid lipstick Ladylike by Melt Cosmetics and also the lip strobe Snobby by Huda Beauty. This is how I finished this look. I really love how it turned out. I really love this model and also all these colors. I hope that you love it much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me down below in the comments what you think of this makeup look and this production. I think it is so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more news, hit the notification bell and like this video if you did. And I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah.